Before we start recording, we want to check a couple of setup items. These ones are pretty necessary, but there's a lot you can see under Edit and then Preferences, but there's just a couple we're going to look at. And that would be quality, and just making sure that the sample rate is 44.1 megahertz. The rest of the settings, you could leave them as is. Then under devices, we want to make sure that our playback device is the one we expect is somewhat important, but the really important one is the recording device. So in this case, I'm speaking into this particular microphone. It's actually a microphone that goes into a soundboard, which goes into the computer, but you want to make sure that you pick the one that you are thinking you're speaking into. Otherwise, you'll get this really tinny sound from the onboard microphone on your computer or something like that. Then we'll press OK. You can also check right here to make sure that you're using the microphone that you think you are. You can also switch between mono and stereo. I'm going to switch it to mono because podcasts are mono. And then you can also check your what you're listening to, your output device. Now, I'm going to start just to record a little bit of sound and then show you that right here, the recording volume, you can also play with that. Make it lower. You don't want to make it too low, or there'll be nothing there to hear. But you also don't want to go too loud because otherwise you'll get something called clipping. So you can see the waveforms, and you just want to make sure that the waveforms are fitting inside the timeline or the track, but not reaching to the extremes.